Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. All right, daily chart. And yesterday, we said, we had the chop day. The bulls then win it in Globex. They need to get over 27.38. 27.38 converted pretty rapidly over the course of the day yesterday, and then it was just a matter of grinding higher. So we were short off the open yesterday for about 3 minutes, and then it became very apparent that the bears just really didn't have anything at all, and that got us long 29, which we rode for a while, and then we laddered up into a 40 long, which we still have. So the reality is, in a vacuum, this market absolutely wants to go higher. My feeling is the bears are going to need news in order to reverse this type of thing. And the current destination, if you look at this, it's really getting back to 27.90 half and 28.14. These are the areas where things got pushed, with regard to that Fed day back in December when they took it up and then they rejected it and it really never came back. And now you're over the top of the 200-day exponential, the 100-day. You're over the 200 simple. So we had talked for many weeks on these webcasts about the destination for this rally was going to be this variety of brands of 200-day moving average. Whatever your brand of scotch. You like exponentials, you like simples, you like the front month chart, you like cash, you like the continuation chart, whatever floats your boat. It was going to go see that whole variety of moving average. Well, they converted them all now. Every one of them. Everything. Every brand on the shelf has been converted to support now. So with that in mind, it was really about what were the bears going to do when we got up here. And you can see they tried a little bit, which is why we were kind of shelving up here. But now that they've given it up, I have to look at, I have to stick to my rules. I have to look at things like, where is the upper band on the daily chart? 27.66 and change, probably 27.70 by the time it would get up there. You got to look at the Globex high, 57. So 57.67 to 70. And then you start looking at 90 and change. And I'm not all bulled up. But the reality is, until the bears start to convert any kind of a level that matters, I don't care what it is, to resistance, and then build upon that, you have to be in dip buy mode. You simply have to be in dip buy mode, because it is too costly in this type of environment to fight price. We did a Q&A for subscribers yesterday, and I was emphasizing, look, no ideology trades. This is when people like to take swing trades. Really, really stupid swing trades. Okay? We've gone up enough. We're X number of handles over this. We're overbought. I'm done with this. I'm done. I'm shorting it right here, right now. And that's what people will say. And it's not correct. And then because the trade is 90% ideology and 10% trade, when it doesn't work out, and those rarely do, instead of cutting their losses and getting in tune with what's been a pretty trend up market the last couple of months, they'll add. And then they'll add again. And then they'll do it again. And then they got their whole life wrapped up in one trade, because that trade is 90% ideology and 10% trade. And that's how you blow up. That's how you blow up. So, people banging the table saying that there's positional or swing shorts here and you got to do it and this, that, or the other thing, I'd be pretty careful with that. And I would have a very set risk criteria. We won't be doing any of that in this room. But for those of you out there, I would draw a line in the sand with a hard stop and say this is as far as I would take something like that. And no, I won't be joining you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ride this thing up until it's done going up. And when it makes a few lower highs and I can grab onto a risk marker, we'll short it then. That's how we caught this one. And that's how we caught this one. And that's how we'll catch this, wherever the heck it is. Not trying to throw darts at highs. You just wait You wait. You got to be patient. And while you're being patient, don't fight price. Buy some dips and get long and make some money. It sounds simple. It's not. It's hard to do. Psychologically, it's hard to do. Trading-wise, it's hard to do. But that's what we try to do every day in the room. All right. Have a great day. We'll be out with some more stuff on social. I'll be live in an hour on Instagram to lead up to the bell. Come check that out. Again, we're getting a lot of rave reviews about that. And come check out the room. If you trade this stuff all the time, I know I can help. All right. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.